video, I'll be taking you through how to blend images using PicArt on your Android phone. So when you open PicArt, this is the menu you see. There are various options. We'll go with these photos because I already have an image and I'm going to blend the background with an image. Yeah. So this is the background I've selected. I want it on portrait and not landscape, so I'll go ahead and flip, then I'll click on the OK button. So now what I'll do is I'll go to effects. I don't want the background green. I'll go to hue and then click on this, and then I'll move the amount and see if I can get something I like. So I think this is okay. Then I'll click on the done. So now what I'll do is I'll add the image, add photo. So this is the picture I will blend in. So I'll click on add. You can add multiple pictures. Let me add this one. I'm going to delete it. You can add multiple pictures and they will appear. So this is the one I'll be using, but for this tutorial actually I'll try to blend the second one also. Let's do the first. So PicArt has a blend mode. You can see when you tap on this picture, there are some options down below. If you also tap on the other image, those options also appear for it. So what we'll do now is we click on this image, we'll go to blend, you see it here. Then now there are various options. Screen, you see screen. I'll go with this screen because it looks good. It's a little bit blend, so all I need to do now is apply some corrections, then multiply, darken, lighten, overlay, add. I'm going with the screen because that looks better and it will make my work a little bit easier. Also, you can leave it on normal and blend, but I think I'm leaving it on that screen. Sorry, leaving it on the screen will make it look better. So now you see up, you have the X. This is for layer. Move down, move up. Then the next is an eraser. You click on the eraser tool, then you go to erase, you double tap on it, you set the opacity to about 40-50 thereabouts. Then the hardness you choose about 4 or 3. So you'll notice there are lines. Even though we blend the picture to the background, there are some lines up there. So now what we'll do is to erase. That's where the magic we erase. You can just fade it using your thumb upwards. You just erase. So that is all. So after erasing, I think we are done. You can also do the lower part. Erase the lower part. Don't mind, it won't erase this main image. I was supposed to move it, but I don't want the video to be too long, so just erase the other part. So we are done with this. So now you can click on the done. So this is what we have. See, let me move this other image. So you see the image blend perfectly with the background. So you can go ahead and save, but I promised I was going to blend this also. Let's find a spot. Let's shift this a little bit downward, and then let's blend this somewhere. Okay, so now we'll repeat the same process over again. Sorry, you can go and see if you can find a blend mode that So I'll work with this background. Go to screen. This screen is also perfect. Darken, lighten, overlay. Sometimes overlay works. We can go with this, but even this ad is okay. But I think the screen worked good with this one. So we'll go ahead and erase. See, this rhymes perfectly with the ground. So what we are going to erase will just be this side. Just make it blend. So click on the erase tool, and you can set it this way, maybe 3 this time, and just start erasing. So those edges are not there. Just fade it in. See, you can use your fingers to zoom in, zoom out, stuff like that. So you can then reduce the opacity, increase the size, then just run it over the image, so the image looks a little bit faded. Sorry about the background noise on the public area. Something like this. This is good. This is okay. Upside also, you can just something there. So that's all. So what we'll do next is to save the image. We'll click done, and then we save. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification button so that you'll be notified when I upload other videos on designing with your smartphone. Thank you.